to the Gulf Coast, where it gets a little bit more likely. A quick look at how this sets up. Here's where we're at now. Again, we have some of those storms in Texas, but by tomorrow morning, main line starts chugging away. Here's that other boundary I told you about. That little boundary is going to start lifting north and a little bit east as we go through the main afternoon hours and through the evening. These will likely be rotating storms, Alex, and we'll see that through the mid-evening, and then it gets real messy. And I think there could be some warnings that continue through the overnight hours, but it's not going to be as prevalent as what we had early in the day. It doesn't mean people shouldn't pay attention. This is a big deal for the overnight hours because there could be some warnings.
Right. And just so important to make sure you are connected to a way to get those warnings. I know a lot of us staying home for the holiday this year, which is a good thing, meaning a lot of us won't be out on the roads, but you need to be able to get those warnings, especially if you're sleeping. We've also got ice in the forecast. We look at a place like Kansas City on the other side of the screen, looking good right now, but you are going to be watching for the possibility of some ice as we head New Year's Eve into New Year's Day. Again, one of the positives, I think, to perhaps our pandemic year and a lot of those New Year's Eve gatherings and parties being canceled is that people will be staying put and not out on the road.